Automation processes make high demands for precision and fast cycle times. Wire race bearings deliver both. Wire race bearings differ from conventional bearings in one essential aspect. The rolling elements do not roll directly on the housing parts, but on inserted raceways made of hardened spring steel. The wire races absorb all loads that occur. The shape and material of the enclosing construction can be freely chosen. In many cases, complete integration into the customer's housing is recommended. This flexibility makes it possible to develop products that are tailored to automation processes. The components are precise, lightweight, and highly dynamic, and are used in articulated robots and assembly machines, for example. With a wire race bearing, you get the pure function of a bearing and have more room for your ideas. Franke, innovation in motion.